no! The tent is too big. Oh no! The tent is too big! Hello, everyone. I am Jack. And I'm Ella. And I am Ella. Today is a great day. We are going camping. Wait, in our backyard.
Okay, kids, time to pack your bags.
Only pack the things you really need.
I need my games. I need my books. I need snacks. And my bears.
Oh. I forgot. There is no room.
Jack, where is your sleeping bag?
Well, Dad, I think it's still at home.
Oh no.
Ella, you cannot eat only candy for dinner.
When you camp, you must be prepared.
We need warm clothes, water, and flashlights. I'll get them.
Okay. Safety first. Got it. Let's go.
Now, let's build our home for tonight.
Start with the main poles.
I've got this one.
Me too. I will put it here. No, you won't. Watch me. All right, fine. Let's see it. Ah!
No, I want it over here. But we plan to put it here. No, here.
Whoa.
Are you okay, Dad?
Oh, dear. Let me help.
I'm fine, just need a minute.
Sorry, Dad. Sorry, Dad.
Kids, stop. We are a team.
If we don't work together, the tent will fall.
Okay. Let's work together.
Yay!
Yay!
We did it!
Hooray!
Nice work, everyone.
It looks so beautiful inside. It sure does.
The BBQ is almost ready. Who is hungry?
We are. Me too. We are. We are super hungry.
Now for the best part. S'mores.
I want mine right now.
Oh no! It is burnt.
You have to be patient, Jack.
Watch Ella. She turns it slowly. Perfect, golden brown. Excellent.
Perfect.
Okay. Slow and steady.
Waiting makes it taste better.
I want a hot dog right now.
Stop, Jack. The grill is very hot. It is dangerous.
Oops, I am sorry. I will stand back. I got it.
Good job. Your turn. Watch out for the fire.
I know. I'm ready. Mom, I will help set the table.
That's wonderful, Ella. Thank you. Thank you, Ella. Jack, go wash your hands and bring the cups.
Here is the food. Burgers and hot dogs. Help yourselves, kids.
Yummy! You are the best cook, Dad.
Cheers to our family campout.
Nature is not scary. It is singing a song for us.
A song? That is cool.
It sounds beautiful now.
See? You are both very brave. You've done so well tonight. Now, rest well.
Good morning, campers. Wake up.
Good morning. I slept so well. Me too. I wasn't scared at all. Are you ready to pack up the tent? Absolutely. Let's do it after breakfast. No. No. We want to stay here.
Maybe we can camp again next weekend.
Yes! Abba! Yeah! Awesome. Next time, I will pack faster. And I will help Dad with the tent.
Good job, Ella. Those are very helpful.
I can get more.
She's really good at helping.
Ah, I am full. Breakfast was great.
Jack, a good camper leaves no trash.
Why, Mom? It is our backyard.
We must respect nature everywhere, even at home.
Put your trash in the bag, Jack. You are right. Let's clean up our campsite.
Wow, the campsite is very clean. Good job, team.
Now the grass is happy again.
Now, let's pack the tent. Together. Roll it, roll it.
Yeah.
Keep going.
Whoa, whoa, we're almost there.
Just a little bit more.
Whoa.
Squeeze it tight.
The tent fit perfectly. Teamwork makes it easy. Yeah, it does.
Whoa.
Let's take a family photo before we go inside.
10 seconds. Get ready.
Say cheese. Oh, buddy.
That is a very funny picture.
Backyard camping is the best. We learned to be brave and keep nature clean. We learned to work as a team.
Hey, buddy, come back with my tent. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Cảm ơn mọi người.
Tạm biệt.
Oh no, I am very late. Bunting, I am here.
Jack, look at the clock. It is 8:30. You are late.
I'm sorry, Mr. Davis.
Teacher, being late is a bad choice, Jack.
I am sorry, Mr. Davis.
Good morning, Ella.
Good morning, Mrs. Smith.
I love mornings. Good morning, Mrs. Smith.
Good morning, Ella. It's wonderful to see you.
You are early today. Good job. Thank you, Mrs. Smith. You're right on time, Ella.
Yes, I am. I'm ready to learn.
That's the spirit. Being on time is a good choice.
Who knows the name of our planet?
Earth.
Earth. Earth. Earth. It is Earth.
You are not listening to me.
Why should I? Oh, Jack.
That's enough, Jack. Look at Sarah. Jack, do not interrupt. That is a bad choice.
I am sorry.
What animal is this?
It's an elephant.
That's right. Good job, Ella.
Does anyone know what animal this is? I know. It's an elephant.
The elephant is a very big animal. Yes, Ella? The elephant has big ears and likes to eat leaves. That's right. It is an elephant, Mrs. Smith. Excellent. Thank you for raising your hand. The elephant is the biggest animal. Ouch, my knee hurts. Huh, clumsy much? Please help.